Hello, beauties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Joyful Biobale, a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. My brand name is Anastasia Signatures. Today's video is a Gele tutorial. There's a tutorial on this makeup look. It's my previous video, so if you haven't watched it, please go back to the last video that I posted and watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, what I did was 50-50, Igele 50-50. If you are a Gele person, you know the meaning of 50-50. Yes. I divided Gele into two parts, 50 equal, as in half half. Then I went from the back behind and brought it forward, twisted it as you can see. I used the pin to secure one side so that I can work on the other side. Now for this side, what I'm doing is like a ruffle kind of bottle. It's not rough, it's not ruffle. What I did was I just squeezed the Gele, squeezed and squeezed and squeezed and squeezed it. To make it look like a ruffle kind of look. Squeezed it. It's self-explanatory as you can see. I'm just squeezing it. If you know how to weave hair, the way you will be weaving the hair, that's how I was just doing it, squeezing and squeezing. But I didn't just want it to, I just did something different actually. Because I told her to help me hold it. So after squeezing, you just use pin to secure. Like what I'm going to do, you'll be seeing that shortly. See, I'm just using pin to secure so the Gele won't loosen up. So that's what the pin basically does. Because if I don't use pin, it's going to loosen up. Keep squeezing and squeezing and squeezing. Sometimes it is not everything that you need to do. It's not every time you need to do perfect. What do you call it? Like steps Gele. I just wanted something different. I used the pin to secure that part. Now I'm going to the other side to finish it up. Also, I know you can't see everything I'm doing, but I'm using a pin as well to secure it. Gele was something I used to tie before, but I stopped somewhere. I stopped tying Gele, but I'm back now. Yes, I think if you go down my YouTube video, one of my highest view video was Gele, which I tied on myself. I was like, why don't I just start this thing again? And here I am. So please encourage me, like, share, and of course comment. Tell me if there's any Gele style you would like to see and you want me to do it. You can send me a DM, which will be my details will be on the description box. So you can reach out to me, send me a DM. And of course I also train, but not in Gele. I train in makeup. I train in makeup for now. Who knows what tomorrow will be? Who knows how 2026 will be? But for now it's just makeup training I do. If you want to learn Gele, the only training I'll give you on Gele is just regular style. Now for the other side, I didn't ruffle it like the right side. I just folded it and pinned. There's no rule, just do whatever works for you. That's the thing about makeup and gele. In fact, beauty generally. One mistake will just will turn to a style. So not like this is not a mistake because I knew what I was doing when I was when I started. So I'm just saying that to you, if as a fashion designer or a makeup person or beauty personnel or something, that sometimes you make a mistake and then you just step out of it like, oh wow, this is so nice, and you're like in your mind you're like, wow, this now I was just doing trial and error. I didn't like whatever. And so this is the finished look. Yes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, like I said earlier, this makeup was done by me and the tutorial is on my channel. So please also go and show this video some love. Go back to my previous video and engage the post. Like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you in my next video. Bye.